إن أنت إلا نذير.
You are no more than a warner.
إنا أرسلناك بالحق بشيرا ونذيرا وإن من أمة إلا خلا فيها نذير.
We have sent you with the truth to proclaim good news and to warn. Never has there been a nation but a warner came to it.
وَإِن يُكَذِّبُوكَ فَقَدْ كَذَّبَ الَّذِينَ مِن قَبْلِهِمْ جَاءَتْهُمْ رُسُلُهُم بِالْبَيِّنَاتِ وَبِالزُّبُرِ وَبِالْكِتَابِ الْمُنِيرِ.
If they give the lie to you now, those that went before them also gave the lie to their messengers when they came to them with clear proofs, with scriptures, and with the illuminating book.
ثُمَّ أَخَذْتُ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا فَكَيْفَ كَانَ نَكِيرِ.
Then I seized those who denied the truth, and how terrible was my punishment.
أَلَمْ تَرَ أَنَّ اللَّهَ أَنزَلَ مِنَ السَّمَاءِ مَاءً فَأَخْرَجْنَا بِهِ ثَمَرَاتٍ مُخْتَلِفًا أَلْوَانُهَا وَمِنَ الْجِبَالِ جُدَدٌ بِيضٌ وَحُمْرٌ مُخْتَلِفٌ أَلْوانُهَا وَغَرَابِيبُ سُودٌ.
Do you not see that Allah sent down water from the sky with which we brought forth fruits of diverse hues? In the mountains there are white and red of diverse hues and pitchy black.
وَمِنَ النَّاسِ وَالدَّوَابِّ وَالْأَنْعَامِ مُخْتَلِفٌ أَلْوَانُهُ كَذَلِكَ إِنَّمَا يَخْشَى اللَّهَ مِنْ عِبَادِهِ الْعُلَمَاءُ إِنَّ اللَّهَ عَزِيزٌ غَفُورٌ.
And human beings too, and beasts and cattle, diverse are their hues. From among His servants it is only those who know that fear Allah. Verily, Allah is most mighty, most forgiving.
إن الذين يتلون كتاب الله وأقاموا الصلاة وأنفقوا مما رزقناهم سرا وعلانية يرجون تجارة لن تبور.
Surely those who recite the book of Allah and establish prayer and spend privately and publicly out of what we have provided them look forward to a trade that shall suffer no loss.
ليوفيهم أجورهم ويزيدهم من فضله إنه غفور شكور.
A trade in which they have invested their all, so that Allah may pay them their wages in full and may add to them out of His bounty. He is most forgiving, most appreciative.
والذي أوحينا إليك من الكتاب هو الحق مصدقا لما بين يديه إن الله بعباده لخبير بصير.
O Prophet, the book we have revealed to you is the truth, confirming the books that came before it. Verily, Allah is well aware of His servants and sees everything.
ثم أورثنا الكتاب الذين اصطفينا من عبادنا فمنهم سابق بالخيرات بإذن الله ذلك هو الفضل الكبير.
Then we bequeathed the book to those of our servants that we chose. Now some of them wrong themselves, and some follow the medium course, and some by Allah's leave vie with each other in acts of goodness. That is the great bounty.
جنات عدن يدخلونها يحلون فيها من أساور من ذهب ولؤلؤا ولباسهم فيها حرير.
They shall enter the everlasting gardens, shall be adorned with bracelets of gold and with pearls, and their apparel therein shall be silk.
وقالوا الحمد لله الذي أذهب عنا الحزن إن ربنا لغفور شكور.
They will say, all praise be to Allah, who has taken away all sorrow from us. Surely our Lord is most forgiving, most appreciative.
الذي أحلنا دار المقامة من فضله لا يمسنا فيها نصب ولا يمسنا فيها لغوب.
The Lord, who out of His bounty has made us dwell in an abode wherein no toil nor fatigue affects us.
والذين كفروا لهم نار جهنم لا يقضى عليهم فيموتوا ولا يخفف عنهم من عذابها كذلك نجزي كل كفور.
As for those who disbelieved, the fire of hell awaits them. There they shall not be finished off and die, nor will the torment of hell be lightened for them. Thus do we requite every thankless being.
وهم يصطرخون فيها ربنا أخرجنا نعمل صالحا غير الذي كنا نعمل أولم نعمركم ما يتذكر فيه من تذكر وجاءكم النذير فذوقوا فما للظالمين من نصير.
They will cry out in hell and say, Our Lord, let us out so that we may act righteously, different from what we did before. They will be told, Did we not grant you an age long enough for anyone to take heed, if he had wanted to take heed? Besides, there came a warner to you, so have a taste of the torment now. None may come to the help of the wrongdoers.
إن الله عالم غيب السماوات والأرض إنه عليم بذات الصدور.
Surely Allah knows the unseen in the heavens and the earth. He even knows the secrets hidden in people's breasts.
هو الذي جعلكم خلائف في الأرض فمن كفر فعليه كفره ولا يزيد الكافرين كفرهم عند ربهم إلا مقتا ولا يزيد الكافرين كفرهم إلا خسارا.
It is He who made you vicegerents in the earth. So whoever disbelieves will bear the burden of his unbelief. The unbelievers' unbelief adds nothing but Allah's wrath against them. The unbelievers' unbelief adds nothing but their own loss.
قل أرأيتم شركاءكم الذين تدعون من دون الله أروني ماذا خلقوا من الأرض أم لهم شرك في السماوات أم آتيناهم كتابا فهم على بينة منه بل إن يعد الظالمون بعضهم بعضا إلا غرورا.
Say to them, O Prophet, have you ever seen those of your associates upon whom you call apart from Allah? Show me what have they created in the earth. Or do they have any partnership with Allah in the heavens? Or have we given them a book so that they have a clear proof for associating others with Allah in His divinity? Nay, what these wrongdoers promise each other is nothing but delusion.
إن الله يمسك السماوات والأرض أن تزولا ولئن زالتا إن أمسكهما من أحد من بعده إنه كان حليما غفورا.
Surely Allah holds the heavens and the earth, lest they should be displaced there. For if they were displaced, none would be able to hold them after Him. Surely He is most forbearing, most forgiving.
وأقسموا بالله جهد أيمانهم لئن جاءهم نذير ليكونن أهدى من إحدى الأمم فلما جاءهم نذير ما زادهم إلا نفورا.
Swearing by Allah their strongest oaths, they claimed that if a warner came to them, they would be better guided than any other people. But when a warner did come to them, his coming only increased their aversion to the truth.
استكبارا في الأرض ومكر السيء ولا يحيق المكر السيء إلا بأهله فهل ينظرون إلا سنة الأولين فلن تجد لسنة الله تبديلا ولن تجد لسنة الله تحويلا.
They began to wax even more proud on earth and contrived evil designs, although the contriving of evil designs only overtakes their authors. Are they waiting then for anything except what happened to the nations before them? You shall not find any change in the way of Allah, and you shall not find anything that can ever alter the way of Allah.
أولم يسيروا في الأرض فينظروا كيف كان عاقبة الذين من قبلهم وكانوا أشد منهم قوة وما كان الله ليعجزه من شيء في السماوات ولا في الأرض إنه كان عليما قديرا.
Have they not journeyed in the earth to behold the end of those who went before them, though they were stronger than them in might? Nothing in the heavens nor on earth can frustrate him in the least. He is all-knowing, all-powerful.
ولو يؤاخذ الله الناس بما كسبوا ما ترك على ظهرها من دابة ولكن يؤخرهم إلى أجل مسمى فإذا جاء أجلهم فإن الله كان بعباده بعباده بصيرا.
If Allah were to take people to task for their deeds, He would not leave any living creature on earth, but He grants them respite to an appointed time. When the appointed time comes to an end, surely Allah fully observes His servants.